Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Tech Over. Today in this video I just want to show you how to fix this problem. You can see Home Center would like to send me a critical alert. So if you just want to fix it, we have volume up, volume down and power button. Press the volume up, then press volume down and keep pressing the power button and don't leave it until your phone is going to be turned off and turn on back. So you can see we're still waiting our iPhone going to be turned off. Now don't leave it, and once you got the iPhone logo here, leave your power button and wait a second until your phone going to be turned on. And here we go, our phone's ready. So this is all about how to fix this problem. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.